This morning I open my eyes, the light flows gently into my soul. Last night's worries I leave behind. Today I start a brand new story. A cup of coffee, a quiet smile, light steps on a little street. I hear the birds start to sing.
Ang punla ng sibuyas na, 2 lata, isa lang ang sumibol, yung isa hindi, oh. Damo. Yan lang. Ganda ng sibol. Punlaan ng buyas. Ayan lang.